how to learn English. Actually, all the learner are facing this problem, how to learn English, because I have already this problem. So that's why I am telling to you, and I want to tell you everything how to learn English and how am I learning English and how did I learn English, because I want to tell you everything. In the beginning, being excited, we say I have to learn English, I want to be perfect in English, but despite of this we can't speak English well. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you how to learn English. Actually, all the learner are facing this problem, how to learn English, because I have already this problem. So that's why I am telling to you, and I want to tell you everything how to learn English and how am I learning English and how did I learn English, because I want to tell you everything. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that how to learn English, because all the learner are facing this problem, because when we start speaking English, so that times I couldn't speak English. Why am I not speak English well? Because I want to be perfect. In the beginning, being excited, we say I have to learn English, I want to be perfect in English, but despite of this we can't speak English well. So that times every learner say something like this, it's not impossible, it's rocket science, because of which I can't speak English. How to learn English? Because I don't have any partner and any environment. So how to learn English without partner? So please let me know how to learn English. I know I learn, actually all the learner have a question how to learn English without partner, because I don't have any environment. What I have lots of example, because despite of this they speak English well without partner, without environment, they speak English well. So why can you learn English? It's not impossible, okay? You can learn English. Speaking English is not rocket science, okay? You can speak with like other person. So please don't think about something like this, we can't speak English without partner, without environment. I don't have any environment, how to learn English? I think this is your excuse who are making continuously. So please forget this excuses who are making continuously. When you start speaking and when you learn English, I am right, okay? I know, even I don't have any environment, even I am learning English because I want to be perfect, I want to be fluent in English, because speaking English is my passion. So even so I am learning English. I don't have any environment, okay? I think I know this is your excuse who are making, so please stop it, okay? Stop it. Avoid these excuses who are making continuously. Only try to speak English, because I have lots of things for improving English. Even I am using that things for improving English. First one, you have to listen if you want to improve your communication skill, okay? When you are alone at your home, so that time you have to listen with your phone. Only focus on your listening. Actually, when you be perfect in listening power, automatically your speaking will be improved. So I think listening power is very important. And when you watch English video, at that times carefully you have to watch. Okay, and then observes every person who speak English, who watch English, who are watching English video, observes, consuming. Okay, I think this step is very important in the beginning. Okay, and next one, practice. Okay, practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't speak English. Okay, this is a common thing. Okay, without practice we can't speak English, because I have one example. When you start driving, so without practice, without practice, you can't drive. So because practice is very necessary. Actually, because this time you have a question, how to learn English, how to have the practice without partner, because I don't have any partner and any person. So you are saying something like this, you have the practice. I know, I agree with you, you don't have any partner. Okay, you speak with yourself. Okay, you don't have any partner, so I think this is a not important. I told I told because they I have lots of inspirations, okay, who learned English very well. So that's why I am telling to you, please forget this thing, because I don't have any environment and any person, so because of which we can't speak English. So I think this is your excuse. Only try to your focus on your improving English, because you want to be perfect in English. Even I have lots of excuse in my mind, because I don't have any partner how to learn English, but I am speaking because I am having the practice. Because when we are alone at my home, at that times I create any fake story and then I speak with myself, and I have good opportunities as because when I am free, at that times I make the video and then I upload. So I think this way is very good for me, because I feel something like this, I am getting improved while making the video. That's how my flow will be increased, because these times I am speaking English well, but I am not that good, but I believe I will be perfect one day. So please think about anything, only try to speak English, because your aim only improving English. Okay, and next one, I think something like this, these times I am speaking with other peoples, and that person that person is thinking about my mistake, because this times that person is mistake, because this times she is making the mistake. I think mistake is not big deal. Okay, big issue you create. I think mistake is common thing. So I think please don't think about any mistake. Mistake is common thing. When you are make the mistake, you will be perfect in English, you will be fluent in English. So please don't think about any mistake. And when you speak in English, so without thinking, without any mistake, whatever words comes in your mind, and then you can speak. Okay, I think this is a not big problem, because you are making the mistake. This time I am making the video in front of you, and this time whatever words it comes in my mind, and then I speak with yours. I am not that good. Okay, I am not that good. Def I am I am sure, I am definitely sure, because this times I am making the video and I am making the mistake, because I know when I make the mistake and after that I will be perfect in English. Why should I think about any mistake? So please don't think about any mistake, only try to speak English, because your aim, you want to be perfect, you want to teach your child. So please don't think about any mistake, only try to speak English. And I told my 3 and 4 tips for improving English, and please apply these things for improving English. Definitely you will be improved. First one, you have to listen, and second one, you have to have the practice, and third one, you have to speak with yourself if you don't have any partner, and next one, don't think about any mistake is common thing. Okay, so please use these things and apply in your life. I believe definitely you will be improved. Actually, I am applying these things, so that's why I am telling to you. I am watching English video, and after that I speak with myself as a while making the video. And next one, I don't think about any mistake, and I have the practice all the things I use. So because I have experience, so that's why I am telling you. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Once again I am saying, so thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.